Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to do a poll on Snapchat. Actually till now there is no poll option in Snapchat. So for that what we need to do, we need to go to Google Chrome and let's search for a poll maker. So in the result we found many poll maker. I tried many of them and almost all are same. I'm just using this poll maker now. The first result I'm on there. You can use any of them. So write your question here. And here you can change the theme also, so this will look like this. So it will look like this. Okay, once you are done, click create free poll. There is no sign up required here. So here are the links. The first one is the link for vote, the second one is for the results. So let's copy this. Now let's go to Snapchat. Let's browse a picture. Okay, so I want to use this picture. Long tab and click edit. Now on the right side you can see this attachment button. Tap there and paste the link you just copied and search the link. Okay, once the question is loaded, you can click on attach to snap. Then now we can send it to my story, or you can send to our story. Send. Okay, story is posted. Let's check how it's looking. So when the story will open, on the bottom you can see this attachment button, and when your viewer will click here, will go to this screen and your viewers can vote you from here. Okay, let's go back. So to check the result, you can always go back to the link and click on results. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you can make a poll in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.